Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with OppLoans. OppLoans, found at www.opploans.com, offers a lending platform catering to individuals who may face challenges securing traditional loans. They specialize in providing access to credit for those often overlooked by mainstream financial institutions. This service aims to bridge the gap for borrowers with less than perfect credit histories, acknowledging that financial setbacks can happen to anyone. OppLoans focuses on offering installment loans, which provide a structured repayment plan with fixed monthly payments over a predetermined period. This predictability can be a valuable tool for budgeting and managing finances responsibly. While OppLoans provides a much-needed service, it's crucial to carefully consider the terms and conditions of any loan agreement. Interest rates and fees can vary depending on individual circumstances, and it's essential to fully understand the total cost of borrowing before committing. Be sure to compare OppLoans with other options available to ensure you're selecting the most suitable financial solution for your specific needs. Thoroughly researching and comparing various lenders is always advisable before making any financial decisions. Remember to explore alternative lending platforms and traditional banks to gain a comprehensive understanding of the market and secure the best possible terms. OppLoans represents one potential avenue for accessing credit, but it's always wise to conduct due diligence and evaluate all available choices. Remember, responsible borrowing involves careful planning and a complete understanding of your financial obligations.